new bait from Geecrack. This one's actually available in the shop right now. Coming out in 4 colors. This is the Geecrack Q-Bomb Finesse, or Finesse Q-Bomb. Now, the 4 colors we have, I believe, are black, white, chartreuse smoke, and another one, but the main difference between this guy here and your typical Q-Bomb is going to be the skirt material. Normal skirt material in the normal Q-Bomb is going to be more similar to like a typical jig or anything with a skirt, like a spinnerbait, chatterbait, something like that. This skirt material is very, very flowy. It does not spring back that much at all. One unique way that I like to fish this, of course, is on a Geecrack rig, a Nico rig, or a drop shot. If you want to change some of the action on this, make sure to try out and cut some of the strands of hair on this guy right here. It's going to actually increase the sink ratio by diminishing a little bit of the drag from the skirt there. And as this guy sinks, you know, it's not going to be as flowy. It's not going to seem as aggressive, even though it is very, very finesse already. Being a 1-inch main ball, Q-Bomb, I guess, little ball bomb, whatever you want to call it, it is already a very, very small profile. So great at sitting on the bottom or right above the bottom. Really will tick a lot of fish off, and you know, a lot of the time they just get curious, and that's one of the main thing with these dice style baits, or fuzzy style baits in this matter. They just kind of see the hairs flowing around, they're interested, and the only way they can actually check it out is actually by eating it, or at least pulling it into their mouth, feeling it around a little bit, and then you know, hopefully you get a hook set on them. But y'all, really cool stuff coming out from Geecrack. Of course, if you haven't checked out the new Staff Stick or G-Crazy, make sure to do that as well. And these guys are available right now, so make sure to check them out online at lakeprotackle.com. Thanks for coming to WeCast.